Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about seat belts. What is seat belt? A seat belt is a vehicle safety device designed to secure the driver or the passenger of a vehicle against harmful movement that may result during a collision or a sudden stop. How it works and the importance are: 1. It prevents the occupant collide with the interior part of the vehicle. Number 2, it reduces the risk of being thrown from vehicle. Another name for seat belts: safety trap, lap belt, safety belt. When you get inside the car, the first things to do after you adjust the chair, set yourself about to start the engine, the first thing to do, you put on your seat belt. Use your seat belt. Both driver and passengers use seat belts. How to use the seat belt? First, use your left hand. You drag it. The second hand will drag it. You pick the pin. This is the pin. You're going to clip this place. If you can see this place, it's going to clip. You can adjust it to the length you want. You clip it. If you can see, this is the seat belt you have done. There are 3 things you should be mindful of. 3 things to be considered when using the seat belt. Number 1 is your shoulder. Number 1 is your shoulder. Number 2, your stomach. Then number 3 is your lap. Is your lap. Is your lap. This is the lap. So these are the 3 things to be considered: your shoulder, your stomach, and so that it will not tight you too much. Don't let it to be too tight to you that you cannot be able to breathe. Adjust it. You can see, you can adjust it. You can adjust it. You can adjust it. Adjust it and get ready to drive. Get ready to drive. More also, don't squeeze your seat belt. Don't squeeze it. Straight it. Don't let it be squeezed. Straight it. Don't use your belt like this. Don't use your belt like this. It is not professional and it is not advisable. No one is just like this type. You can see. Don't use your seat belt like this. Don't use your seat belt like this. Seat belt always follow here, your shoulder, up shoulder. Always follow here to down. Don't use it here, either here. When you are done driving and you want to remove your seat belt, it's very simple and very easy. Now you see this red pin. This red, press it down, then it will remove. Thank you for watching this wonderful video. Please subscribe, turn on the notification button so that anytime I post a video, you will get a notifications. Like, share and comment. Thank you, my wonderful subscribers.